Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve an MCQ in the chapter Wave Optics. What is the question, sir? Let us look into the question. The interference pattern is obtained with two coherent light sources of intensity ratio n small n. Okay, it means what? The intensity ratio I1 by I2 is equal to small n. Okay, so in the interference pattern, the ratio Imax minus Iminimum divided by Imax plus Iminimum will be how much? You are given four options. Number one, square root of n divided by n plus 1 the whole square. 2 root n divided by n plus 1 the whole square. Root n divided by n plus 1, 2 root n divided by n plus 1. So this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2016. How to solve this problem? What has been given in the question is the ratio of intensities. Small n is equal to I1 by I2. So you have to find this ratio. So for that matter, you have to know the value of Imax and Iminimum. Then only you can find Imax minus Iminimum divided by Imax plus Iminimum. Is it not? Okay. So Imax is equal to, you know that, square root of I1 plus square root of I2 the whole square. So because the intensity is proportional to the square of the amplitude that you have studied in this chapter. Okay, that's all. So Imax is equal to root I1 plus root I2 the whole square, and Iminimum is equal to root I1 minus root I2 the whole square. Now you have to substitute the value of Imax and Iminimum in this equation. That is, so in the LHS you have the factor that has been asked in the question, Imax minus Iminimum, Imax minus Iminimum divided by Imax plus Iminimum, Imax plus Iminimum. What is Imax? Root I1 plus root I2 the whole square. Minus Iminimum, root I1 minus root I2 the whole square. Divided by Imax. Once again, root I1 plus root I2 the whole square plus root I1 minus root I1 to the whole square. So LHS is always there. So as far as the right RHS is concerned, I1. So this is similar to a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? You know very well. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is a square? I1. B square? I2. 2 into ab. Root I1, root I2. Root mathematics I1, I2. Minus. A minus b the whole square. What is that? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Is it not? That is the fundamental equation that you have studied in the algebra. So minus of, listen here, this is minus of I1 plus I2 minus 2 into root I1, I2 divided by, get denominator. The whole square plus b square, I1 plus I2 plus 2 into root I1, I2. Plus I1 plus I2 minus 2. In the next step, you can remove these brackets. Okay, what will happen, sir? So in the RHS, you have I1 plus I2 plus 2 into square root of I1 and 2 minus. We have removed the bracket, so we get minus I1 minus I2 minus of minus plus 2 into square root of I1 and 2. What about the denominator? I1 plus I2 plus 2 into root of I1 I2 plus, in the numerator it was minus, in the denominator it is only plus. So you will write I1 plus I2 minus 2 into root of I1 I2. Okay? Now, as far as the LHS is concerned, Imax minus Iminimum divided by Imax plus Iminimum. So I plus I1 minus I1 cancel, plus I2 minus I2 cancel. In the numerator, you have 2 into root of I1 I2 plus 2 into root of I1 I2, that is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 into root of I1 I2. What about the denominator? plus I1 plus I1. So 2I1 plus I2 plus I2, 2I2. So 2 into I1 plus I2. Here you have plus 2 into root of I1 I2 minus 2 into root of I1. So they get cancelled. Okay. So now you have 4 into root of I1 I2 divided by 2 into I1 plus I2. கீழே 2 இருக்குது மேல 4 இருக்குது. So 1 into 2 2, 2 into 4 2. So 2 into இது ரெண்டையும் 4 அடிச்சிட்டா 2 into square root of I1 I2 divided by I1 plus I2. Okay? Now, of course, this is the LHS. That is equal to 2 into root of I1 I2 divided by I1 plus I2. That's all. Dividing the numerator and the denominator in the RHS. The RHS by I2 we get. Of course, LHS is that IMax minus IMinimum divided by IMax plus I2 is equal to 2 into 2 into square root of I1 I2. You are dividing it by I2. So when this I2 goes into the square root, it will become I2 square. So மேல ஒரு I2 கீழே ஒரு I2 square அப்ப அடிச்சா I1 divided by I2. So square root of I1 divided by why it becomes I2 sir? I1 by, so there it is I1 I2, here it becomes I1 by I2. How? You are dividing the numerator by I2. That is why square root 2 into root of I1. Then what about the denominator? I1 plus I2 divided by 2. So I1 by I2, what else? I2 by I2, 1, is it not? So you know that. Already it has been given in the question that the ratio of intensity N is equal to I1 by I2. You can substitute this value in this equation. Of course, LHS is equal to IMax minus IMinimum by IMax plus IMinimum is equal to 2 into square root of, what is I1 by I2? What is I1 by I2? Root n divided by I1 by I2 n plus 1. So the RHS is 2 into square root of n divided by n plus 1. This is the right answer. Option 4 is the right answer. So we will see one more question in the next video. Till then, thank you one and all.